Hello guys. Today I will show you that how to buy a shared hosting from Hostiera. Please watch this video without skipping any part. So, let's start this video. At first, go to hostiera.com. Or you may check the description box, there you will get the website link. Next, scroll down and select which type of hosting you want to buy, and then, click on shared hosting. Then, choose any one plan and click on Order Now. Next, enter your existing domain name and click on Use. Then, choose a billing cycle of monthly or annually and click on Continue. Next, click on Checkout. If you already have an account in our website, then click on Already Registered. Otherwise, you have to fill all of your details mentioned here and create a new account. Now, select any one payment method like PayPal or debit or credit cards. Next, click on Complete Order. Now, continue to Client area. After that, click on Services. Then click here. Now, you have to pay by clicking on Pay Invoice. After the payment, your service will be activated, and then you can log into your cPanel. Thanks for watching this video. If you want a fast and reliable hosting for your business and blog, then Hostiera.com is the best option for you.